Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So my sister already shampooed and conditioned her hair with her Diva Curl shampoo and conditioner. So now I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and comb through it, make sure it's completely detangled. So for today's video, I thought I would do a review on my new BIO Ionic blow dryer and straightener. So today I'm going to be using my Olivia Garden round brushes. I'm probably going to be using the largest one that I own just because she has such long hair. I'm also going to be using 2 gator clips, but you can honestly use anything just to keep the wet hair up and out of the way as you blow dry. I'm also going to be using my BIO Silk Therapy. I love it when straightening hair, and also the Silk Elements Heat Protectant to protect her pretty curls against the heat of the blow dryer. And of course, the BIO Ionic Gold Pro Speed Dryer. I'm so excited to try this out. I've heard such amazing reviews about all of the BIO Ionic tools, and let's just get started. I'm so excited. Y'all, don't mind me. I look so ratchet. I know. It was really late and my sister was like, hey, can you straighten my hair for school tomorrow? So I did, and I was like, I might as well do a review on my new blow dryer and flat iron as well. So don't mind me. It was late. We were at home just chilling and I look ratchet AF, whatever. So all I'm doing is just sectioning off a section of hair. And I'm just going to end up round brushing, like soft setting with the round brush. I don't even know how to explain that. You'll see. Y'all, I am obsessed with the blow dryer. It is not only so lightweight, but I feel like I dried that piece of hair so quick. Like throughout this whole entire video, it took me, I want to say 30 to like 40 minutes to blow dry and flat iron her whole hair, and usually it takes way longer than that just because she has so much hair and it takes forever to dry. But I feel like I finished so quick. Like, it's ridiculous. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, I finally get to use the BIO Ionic 10X Pro Straightener. I'm so excited to use this, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. You guys, her hair is literally silky smooth right now. It is so soft and so straight. I am amazed by this flat iron, like truly amazed. I highly recommend that everyone gets this flat iron. Like, I do not regret this at all. Whether you're a stylist or not, I feel like everyone needs this flat iron. Thin hair, fine hair, coarse hair, like whatever hair type you have, I feel like this flat iron would be amazing for any and everyone. Yes, her hair looks so, oh my god, it just looks amazing. Like how it looks on camera is, oh, it's just so flowy, it's so bouncy, it's so silky, it's so smooth. Like it is truly, oh, it is amazing. I don't regret this one bit, y'all. Everybody needs this blow dry and flat iron, I swear. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know if you liked this mini hair tutorial / review, and let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next. Bye!